Switching from coffee to matcha. Let us think about it together. Have you ever reached your third cup of coffee by 11 a.m. and realized your hands are shaking so much you could power a small wind turbine?
We call this the coffee paradox.
You drink it to feel alive, but by 3 p.m. you feel like a phone battery stuck at 1%. If you are struggling with low mood or depression, that coffee crash isn't just an inconvenience. It is a neurological sabotage. Today, we are opening the official neurostabilization manual. We are discussing the tactical switch from coffee to matcha. This is not just a tea trend. It is a gift of health for your nervous system.
If you have a friend who is currently vibrating from caffeine-induced anxiety, consider this video the intervention they need.
Save this, share it, and let's look at science.
Step 1. What matcha actually is.
Matcha is far more than just green tea with a sophisticated twist. It is a finely ground powder made from Japanese tea leaves that have been carefully grown in the shade. Unlike traditional green tea, where you steep the leaves and then discard them, matcha involves consuming the entire leaf in powdered form. This means you get the full nutritional benefit rather than just an extract. To help visualize the difference, imagine coffee as squeezing the juice out of a fruit and then throwing the rest away, while matcha is like eating the whole fruit including the seeds and all. This approach is why matcha provides higher levels of antioxidants compared to regular green tea. One of the most notable antioxidants found in matcha is epigallocatechin gallate, commonly abbreviated as EGCG. EGCG plays a crucial role in protecting cells from damage and is known to support the health of your heart, brain, and metabolism. In summary, the unique way matcha is produced and consumed allows you to benefit from a more concentrated source of antioxidants and health-supporting compounds, making it an exceptional choice for those seeking a nutritious beverage.
Step 2. Calm or crash-free energy, the big reason people switch.
There is a technical reason why matcha tends to be favored by the brain during periods of depression. Unlike coffee's quick caffeine jolt, it offers a smoother, longer-lasting energy boost. Caffeine, coffee spike versus matcha plateau. Coffee's effect comes from a vertical spike of caffeine, which can lead to a quick burst of alertness followed by a sudden drop. In contrast, matcha offers a steadier experience due to its unique combination of compounds.
Role of L-theanine.
The key difference lies in an amino acid called L-theanine, which is present in matcha but not in significant amounts in coffee. Matcha contains about 70 milligrams of caffeine per serving, slightly less than coffee's average of 95 milligrams. However, the presence of L-theanine in matcha slows the absorption of caffeine, resulting in a more gradual and prolonged release of energy. This synergy between caffeine and L-theanine helps the brain experience a calm, sustained alertness rather than the abrupt heights and lows associated with coffee.
Step 3. How to switch safely.
Making the transition from coffee to matcha should be done gradually to avoid discomfort, particularly headaches that often come with quitting coffee abruptly. Instead of stopping coffee cold turkey, follow this step-by-step protocol for a smoother adjustment.
Week 1. The hybrid phase.
Continue having your morning coffee as usual. However, for your second or third cup during the day. Swap it with a matcha latte. Use 1 teaspoon of ceremonial-grade matcha powder and whisk until it is frothy. This method allows L-theanine to enter your system while simultaneously preventing caffeine withdrawal symptoms.
Week 2. The full switch.
Begin having matcha first thing in the morning and move your coffee intake to the afternoon. Prepare your matcha by whisking 1 teaspoon of matcha powder with 60 milliliters of hot water until it is frothy. You may add milk or oat milk if desired. By the 10th day, you should notice that your morning energy feels cleaner and more consistent.
Pro tips for success.
1. Choose ceremonial-grade matcha for a higher concentration of L-theanine. 2. Use hot water, not boiling, to preserve the beneficial antioxidants in matcha. 3. Pair your matcha with a handful of walnuts. Walnuts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that works together with matcha to support brain health, providing your neurons with added protection.
The gift of health.
This transition is a simple way to stop the cycle of artificial heights and devastating lows. If this safety manual helped you understand your brain a little better, please hit the like button and subscribe for more evidence-based wellness. Most importantly, consider sharing this information with someone who could benefit from steadier energy and a brighter mood. Together, we can choose a steady, balanced path, the plateau, over the unpredictable ups and downs of the roller coaster. Thank you for joining this journey.